Finding yourself injured at work is incredibly stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Not when you've got someone like Ryan Murphy with the Ryan E. Murphy Law Firm. Ryan, thanks for having us out today.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, of course. So today we're talking about something that you've said is pretty common, and that's somebody gets hurt at work, but then their employer or their insurance company are just downright refusing to pay any medical treatment.
Yeah, what often happens, one, it's usually the work comp insurance companies. The employers hire work comp insurance companies to cover their injured employees, okay? And the insurance companies like to take in money in the form of premiums, but they do not like to pay it out.
Yeah.
So it is all too common that the insurance companies simply say, they just refuse to provide medical treatment, saying, well, we think this is pre-existing, we think, frankly, they give very thin excuses for why they're not going to provide benefits such as medical treatment.
All right, and then if that happens, somebody finds themselves in these situations, what's their next step? Just contact you?
Yeah, really, contact an attorney. Fighting it yourself, you're going to have a very hard time, coming up with legally compelling reasons. I don't think that a person is going to be, intimidating to the insurance company. We are intimidating to the insurance company because we know how to use the courts to get, a judge to properly order them to follow the law, and that's really where our power comes from.
All right, and then what if somebody does have a pre-existing condition, but then they still get hurt at work? Do they still have any chance of fighting those?
They absolutely have a chance. People can have a pre-existing condition, like let's say you hurt your shoulder in high school, 10 years later you're working and hurt the same shoulder. We just grab the old medical records and we show what is the difference between the two injuries. So if someone does have a pre-existing condition, most of the time there's pre-existing diagnostic images, and we're able to show the difference, but from what was there before and what was caused in the accident. So it's something that we do on a regular basis.
All right, and I understand that you actually provide free consultations for people as well if they do find themselves in one of these situations.
Absolutely. For every person out there, I want them to know if they have a legal question, if they're not certain that they have a claim, if they just want to meet with me and get some answers, I will meet with them for free. We will sit down, I will talk and meet with them personally, and they will get their questions answered.
All right, well, if anybody does need to call you, if they have questions or even just a mild concern, how can they get in touch with you?
Yeah, please call my law firm, 417-888-0000. We will get your questions answered. Let you know if you have a work comp claim.
All right, perfect. Well, Ryan, as always, thanks so much for having us out today, and thanks for helping everybody out whenever they need it.
As always, thanks for being here.